So for this video, ang hahanapin natin ay yung isang side ng ating triangle. So may given tayo dito na a triangle, C, itong capital letter C which is 100 degrees, small letter A and small letter B which is 15 meters and 20 meters respectively. So kung makikita nyo, sa triangle has three sides. We have here A, 15 meters and B, 20 meters. So, ang hinahanap natin itong si C, side C. So, pag makita niyo ang given na dalawang side available, tapos isang angle, which is itong C, 100 degrees. Tapos yung angle na given is yun yung opposite ng hinahanap natin na si side C. So, hint nyo na yun na ang gagamitin po natin ay si cosine law. Okay? Kasi si cosine law, ang kanyang formula is yung small letter C, yung hinahanap natin. Again, ang small letters denotes the sides of the triangle and the big letters denotes the angle of your triangle. The small letter C, which is yung side na hinahanap natin, equals the square root of the available side, which is C, A, and B. So, the square root of the square, okay, A squared plus yung available side natin, di ba, si A at saka si B. So, A squared plus B squared minus twice of your A, B, cosine, kaya tinatawag siyang cosine law kasi cosine yung gamit natin, cosine the angle C. So, take note na yung angle dito, big letter C, is, ayan, yun yung gagamitin natin if ang hinahanap natin is the corresponding side, which is the small letter C, or the opposite side, which is the small letter C. What if po A po ang nandito? So, dapat C, angle A din po ang nandyan. If B po ang hinahanap natin, of course, dito, angle B din po ang dapat na nandyan. So, kung A yung hinahanap natin, that will become kung ano yung available side. So, kasi si A yung hinahanap, so most probably, available si B at saka si C. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Tapos, 2, kung anong mga available sides dyan, ilalagay natin si C at saka si B, or B, C, cosine yung angle. Same kung si B naman yung hinahanap mo. So, of course, it's A, may available na A at saka si C. So, yun yung ipapalit mo dyan. So, magiging 2, ayan, 2 AC, tapos of course, cosine mo yung angle na katapat niya. So, ganun lang po yung gagawin. So, now, because we are asked to find the side C, so, ganito siya gagawin. So, C, small letter C, is equal to A, that's 15 squared. Okay, so plus B, which is 20, so 20 squared, minus twice of your A and B, 15 times 20, cosine of your C, which is angle C, is 100 degrees. Of course, don't forget the square root. Now, if you will use your calculator, it will give you 27 meters. So, yan po yung answer dito. So, mas maigi na you will use your scientific calculator.